So what we've got here is biscuits, and I'm doing them in the frying pan, and they're coming out nice and golden brown, so not bad whatsoever. So pizza bread is definitely doable in the system, and I'm using my new infrared stovetop. This thing is on super low. Normally when it gets going, it is, well, let's just look at it really quick. This bad boy, and you can hear it at night. It glows. Well, it's glowing now, turning super red. So I'm very, very pleased with the performance of this. But it gets so hot that I'm using a pizza stone here. Otherwise, it started to melt my table a little bit. And otherwise, I'm really happy with this little device. And I only paid $16 through Amazon. So that's my latest update on when I'm cooking out of food, and it's good. Bye.